Hey folks, welcome to Regular Guy DIY. Today we are in Pennsylvania. I'm at my mother-in-law's and typically she has a few projects for me. We have some screens that, well, they just have holes in them. Not looking so great. And I'm going to show you how to replace the screen material and the spline. It's a really easy project. Anyone can do this. It just takes a little bit of patience and I'm going to show you how it works out.
Regular Guy DIY, he's here.
We are going to be replacing our steel screens with vinyl screening material. You will need a blade to cut the screen and spline and a specialty spline tool. Splines do come in a variety of dimensions, so it's a good idea to take a sample piece to the store to make sure you get the right size. Next, we remove the windows. Some screens simply lift straight up and then out at the bottom. Newer screens have these tabs that help hold them in place. Now it's time to remove the old screens. This small screwdriver worked pretty well to reach into the crevice and get the spline started. Once you have a good hold of the spline, pull it back in the opposite direction so that you don't bend the screen as you're removing it. Then simply lift the screen away from the frame. Now it's time to lay out our new screen material. Make sure that you have a few inches overlapping. I would say a minimum of 3 to 4, depending on the window size. Now, using the concave edge of our spline tool, we're going to start to work the spline into the screen. As you work your way around, provide very light tension on the screen material. You want to avoid any ripples, but too much tension could cause the screen to bend. When you get to the end of the spline and you're ready to make your cut, pull the spline back out of the groove just a little bit. That way you can make sure that you get a good clear cut without damaging any of the screen. Then using your blade, cut the screen on the outside edge of the spline and carefully work your way around the frame. And that's it. Now it's time to install your brand new screens. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button. It really helps the video performance on YouTube. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on my latest content. Thanks again for watching Regular Guy DIY. You got this.